least like 4. Next slide. This pie chart represent कि while recruiting or while screening or scheduling, the student used to be यानी कितने students में job profile के बारे में knowledge रहता था. तो from this chart, I'm telling like 75% of candidates used to know what is the job profile and 25 used not to know. So my finding is, excuse me, the data bank was not properly maintained. Like वहाँ पे जब भी data bank जो रहता था वो properly maintain नहीं किया रहता था, dead resumes को destroy नहीं करते थे, and salary wasn't properly justified, and the manpower was, जो recruitment process था वो efficient अच्छा था, but that wasn't efficient. Next slide. Conclusion is the study recruitment procedures, Spacewood, and analyzing the respondent answer opinion. Okay. In conclusion, I would conclude that Spacewood is a growing company. ये डे बाय डे ग्रो हो रहा है. इसमें हर टाइम हर ईयर न्यू कैंडिडेट्स रिक्रूट होते हैं, और इसके जो बिजनेस जो ओनर है, एज आई टोल्ड यू, किरीट जोशी, ही नो हाउ टू हैंडल द प्रॉब्लम इज कम इन कंपनी. So I strongly believe that the Spacewood know the power of M, that is man, money and material, and Spacewood personal department is in infancy stage, means it's like raising up. Thank you.
Why did you choose this company? That was allotted by the college to you, or by college? And what was the objective of your study? Was my main objective. Studying the recruitment procedure. But then you mentioned that they used to pick up from Naukri.com or something like that.
Yes, but can I say so? No, sir, I can. The Naukri.com was just a part to recruit the student, recruit the candidate. But वहाँ पे direct recruitment भी होता था, and there used to be like वो reference के through भी होता था. Naukri.com में इसलिए जाते थे because उनका already pattern ही था. उनका अपना एक employer zone में account बना हुआ था, तो उनका एक pattern था, और उसमें मैंने क्या सीखा फिर कि how to screen the resume. अगर कोई like vacancy है जैसे designer की, तो उनको designer में क्या चाहिए, they need.
Okay. That means recruitment के लिए आप you used to compare. Now with what you used to compare? Do the company have a definite policy for job design and job description?
Yes, my ma'am used to tell me the design and the description, and according to that only I used to screen the resumes from the Naukri.com.
So did you study in detail the process of job design and job description?
Sir, no, not in detail.
No. You see, if you are making a career in HR, do not dodge me, please. We are not playing game. I'm just here to measure that in depth. You see, tomorrow we have to hire people. I also sit on the boards of companies. So we always are looking for depth in the candidate. See, the moment you say you compared this, then did you check the job description? Otherwise, if you do not know job design, in detail, how would you compare the job specification? Right? Because one after the other, you have to think logically. This 30 number, from where did it come? I mean, why did you pick up 30? Not convincing. Did you really interview? I mean, did you have a questionnaire designed for them or something? No.
No, sir.
Or it was just from the secondary data?
You said talent execution, and recently you said one position is designer. Designers are there. So, what kind of talents a designer require?
Over there, as like they used to design modular kitchen, so they used to have knowledge, basic knowledge of at least AutoCAD or KD Max. It is talent they should have, and even they should have, like free-handed AutoCAD so that they can make designer kitchens. जो उनकी requirement रहती थी basic उनके पास projects आते थे अदानी के बायोटेक्निक जो भी उनके clients थे, so they used to design. So basically मुझे एक educational qualification समझाया जाता था कि ऐसा talent उनके पास होना चाहिए, they should have basic knowledge of this.
So, normally when we recruit a person, there can be main three things. One is the education, another is the experience, and another is the behavior or attitude. So, how they are checking the behavior and attitude of the candidate?
So behavior and so I don't exactly know cause as I told you in design, I will take the basic example of design. Aptitude test used to help by I used to only conduct the aptitude test, but the main interview was in an upper department होता था.
It's okay, thank you.
Namita, this presentation is nice, and though you are in the talent acquisition, so only I required one question from your end. What is the difference between biodata, resume, and CV? What is biodata, what is resume, and what is CV?
Biodata is just an information.
Okay.
And the resume.
Just this, because it's required for everyone.
Okay, biodata is just an information, and resume is like it tells what we have did, what's our education, what's our experience, and not experience mainly, but what our achievements, what our qualifications, and hobbies and all address in all the personal biodata, and in curriculum VTA, right? CV. So in CV, apart from all this, like अगर कोई experienced हो तो उनका पूरा उसमें क्या knowledge है यानी उन्होंने क्या किया है काम वो पूरा दिया जाता था. Like curriculum VTA CV I used to see CA का देखा था मैंने, उनमें उन्होंने जो भी कंपनी में काम किया तो क्या किया और उनके पास क्या skills है, उनके पास कौन से प्रॉपर स्किल्स है, उन्होंने कौन सी कंपनी में काम किया, कंपनी का पूरा बायोडेटा, एंड फिर उनका क्या काम है उन्होंने और उसमें कितना एलैबोरेट किया है वो पूरा दिया रहता था. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इट्स लाइक माय थॉट. If I'm wrong, then please tell, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it is required for everyone. Sir. It's required because talent acquisition, it is a big arena. Whenever you are working, become a HR manager. So you can understand what is CV, what is biodata, and what is
biodata normally is also given in chronological order. That is why it is called biodata. Like curriculum vitae, he said, it is in detail. Now, if you go through these three things, in India there is a style of doing it in chronological order. But I have seen they normally call it CV in Dubai and other countries. They normally focus more on skills. So what she said is right, where they have worked and so what all skills they have, because while employing a person, they are looking basically for skills. Here we mention more of our qualifications, and then the people keep wondering of what use he is to me, right? And that is why biodata is written in chronological order as we have. And then comes resume. Resume may be a snapshot of what you have done. That may be one page, that's it. But maybe depends on how much you have lived. Because if your could be half page and his could be 5 pages. Because right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Namita. Our next participant is Praveen Bagmar from CIB MRD College.
Good evening all. I am Praveen Kumar Bagmar and my topic is analytical study on ROC compliances which a private limited company need to undertake. Introduction of actually I have done my